paperwork mountain. It's Hayley Justine with Hayley Justine Creates Dreams. Hello, it's me. Where have I been? I've been sorting 22 years of paperwork. 22 years. You should never say her age, but that's only a few years less than me.
So we're getting back to weakest to weak.
Off to the races, here we go. We're sorting. We're sorting by child, we're sorting by year, we're sorting by subject. Hey, we already did all that. Check out our last video. Right here we are putting our paperwork into plastic sleeves. These are going to protect the papers from any future harm, from any future spills. So keep them nice and neat. They won't have any more wrinkles from laying all around. We needed to order extra supplies and they finally came. Yay! Exciting. Remember these? Yes, these. If you don't remember these, check out our last video. But we're about to put all these bad boys into our binders, and here we go. These are great for any of the larger artwork. Filled them up, as you can see, with some of the bigger items that we couldn't fit into the binders. I recommend only doing 2 to 3 of those plastic sheets, actually putting them into the binder at a time. If you try to do too many and be too ambitious like I was, they're just gonna end up really fresh.
It's a bird. It's a plane. It's a big old stack of binders. Let's see how we measure up. 2 feet 9 inches.
Oh no, she didn't. Oh no, she didn't.
Oh no, she didn't.
I did. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Well, buddy, that's a lot of binders. I'm a 6 foot being, and it's as tall as me sitting down.
It's as big as us.
Build it, watch out, you could cause a collapse.
Child 1, this is all of their binders from preschool on up. The preschool compared to middle school, the things that we would keep. For the older school kids, it's mostly just going to be like achievements, schedules, any kind of memories like that.
It's Hayley Justine from Hayley Justine Creates Dreams, and thanks for watching. Bye, sunshines!